What's up guys, my name is Yadrin Sinay. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and this time is gonna be talking about the Game Curie. So make sure you do the thing like, subscribe, and turn the post notification. And now we're gonna be proceed in this topic. Let's go. So welcome to the Encinas Magaling tutorial presents the Game Curie na pure strategy. So I'm gonna be tackle the mixed strategy, but first pure strategy muna tayo. So pure strategy is a game with pure strategy is a situation where each party ends up with the only one available strategy. So a pure strategy defines a specific move or action that a player will follow in every possible attainable situation in game. So it means that meron silang isang strategy lang at a time na pwede gamitin against sa kanilang kalaban. So next slide. So pure strategy is achieved with the following condition. So number 1 is the payoff for each alternative is known. Number 2 is that each party has initially 2 or more available alternatives. And number 3, each party ends up with only one strategy due to domination. So domination, it means that itatanggal tayo ng some of strategy at dun din sa kalaban, dun sa mismong company or the factory na depende sa problem. So next slide. So ito yung sa isang problem natin. Example 1, Ryo and Hina from the Jewelry Business Rivalry. So it's kind of inspired from the Kinda Boy and Girl Friendship Survive. So ito yung ating topic. And now Ryo and Hina is now young adults, each open their own jewelry store. So si Ryo naman daw, itong babaeng naka black hair. So siya daw is nagla-launch ng luxury jewelry with 20% discount. High-end and expensive pieces. So mamahalin daw siya. Mamahalin daw yung kanyang jewelry. And now launch naman daw niya yung affordable jewelry with 10% discount. So cheaper and for a wider market naman niya. So si Hina naman itong naka-blue hair. So magla-launch daw siya ng luxury jewelry with 10% discount naman sa kanya, and the launch affordable jewelry with 20% discount. So parang pala sila ng nilalabas, but they are different strategies. So next slide. So the profit for Hina depends on Ryo's decision. So as a part tayo ni Hina, and then if both launch luxury jewelry, so si Hina magkakaroon siya ng $10,000. And pag si Hina naman nag-launch ng jewelry, but si Ryo naman is nag-launch ng affordable jewelry, si Hina mag-earn siya ng $4,000. And then kapag kay Hina naman is affordable jewelry and Ryo's launches luxury jewelry naman, is si Hina naman daw is magkakaroon ng $8,000. Pero kapag nag-both launch sila ng affordable jewelry, si Ryo earns $5,000. So tingnan niyo kakaiba. Kung clear, ibig sabihin, kung sa part nina, it should be negative sa table. Ito yung table natin. So, nakita po natin yung $5,000. Dito, negative siya. So, ito yung table niya. So, ano yung percent gagawin natin dito? So, for Hina's perspective, so next slide, titingin tayo to the maximum. Ang tingin natin is pa horizontal, so 10 and 8, ano yung maximum niya is become to 10. And then affordable, and then sa kabila naman 4 or negative 5. So kunin lang natin yung maximum, which means 4. So ibig sabihin 10 and 4, nasali niya siya ng luxury jewelry with 10% discount. Ngayon na-dominate natin yung affordable jewelry niya na 20% discount. So alamin naman natin kung ano yung strategy nung kalaban niya na si Ryo. Si Ryo pala yung Ryo. So tingin natin nun is minimum. So tingin natin nun pa vertical pa. So pa ganun pahiga. And then 10 and 4, ang minimum nun is 4. And then kay dito naman sa baba 8 or negative 5 is negative 5. So makikita natin na mas pinili nila yung 4 at 5. So and then nasali niya siya ng affordable jewelry with 10% discount. So mangyayari dyan is hanapin natin yung kanilang intersection. So yung una kasi na wala na to affordable jewelry. So wala na to, tagal sa choices na to. And then kay Rio naman, taga na yung luxury jewelry with 20% discount. So it means, yung 204 yung natitira. So it means the conclusion natin, therefore during the first strategy, Hina will choose to have a luxury jewelry. So mamahal luxury jewelry with 10% discount with 4,000 payoffs. Nakakaroon siya ng 4,000 payoffs in dollars. So as per the strategy naman daw sa kanya is para matalo siya, yun nga. Chinus daw niya yung jewelry with 10% discount affordable. So yung discount will be lost at $4,000. So, 0 at some gain siya. It means may gain and loss yung parties. So, ito na yung strategy natin, game theory, your strategy. So, make sure you're gonna be pack may some terms kayo dyan. So, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.